Hey, good afternoon. That's Jeremiah again. We're today out in Lake Arrowhead, California. Making pretty good progress here on the Mahati project. The team with Lyle Plumbing here, we're just getting ready to put the boiler into construction mode so we can start heating up the job site while they finish the interior paint and plaster and all the fun stuff. Showing the guys how to get the construction mode plugged in, how to adjust the flow rates for each zoning, bleeding the system. So their first time with our comfort system, so it's great to see. They're super excited, and we're amazed how easy it was to install and how much time saving it was over their traditional radiant systems. So great to see. I'll show you some thermal camera images as well. Love showing that. It just gives everyone proof. Homeowner is just showing our system and how fast it's heating up, so he's super excited to see this, and you won't have a cold job site anymore. So here we're in the mechanical room. You can see that we got our boiler plugged in and working. We just plugged this little white dongle in here to construction mode. That's going to give us a 100-degree water temperature of the home. We have it plugged into a simple extension cord for the time being to get heat while the electrician finishes up his half. We're going to throw a little timer on it so we can just have it working during working hours here, so we're not spending too much electricity at night on the gas. So easy setup. As you can see, right now we're at 100% flame, and it's a very, very quiet machine. The Lockner unit with our warm source is fantastic. The team was amazed how quiet this was.